Hey everybody, it's Deanna with Deanna's Paper Crafts. I just wanted to share this really cute card I made today. A friend has let me borrow her new Shall We Dance Cricut cartridge, and so I cut this little girl out. She's cut it 4 inches, and then I just added some green mat that was cut at 5 1/4 by 4, and then this patterned paper mat which was cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and my card base is 5 1/4 by 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And as you can tell, I put her on an action wobble so she dances. And the pattern paper is from this paper pack, All About Girls, from Die Cuts with a View. The music notes are from the Winter Frolic cartridge and cut at 1 1/4 inches. And this paper had this cute little journaling section here, and so I used that to stamp my sentiment for my card. This is Dance to Your Own Music that I thought just went perfect with this little dancing ballerina girl. Her eyes are some pearls that I had. I didn't like how they cut out, and then I drew in the eyelashes and added some pink chalk to her cheeks. So anyway, thanks for visiting today. Bye.